Hello, in front of me I have Mibro Air smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this device, first you will need to press the side button to wake up the screen on your watch. Then press and hold the side button to turn it off basically. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns off. After the watch turns off, wait for a couple of seconds and then turn it back on by pressing and holding the side button again. And again, once you see the logo, you can release the button, and after a second or two, the watch should boot into system. And that's how you force restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.